Hi, this is Benilda and welcome to my beautiful kitchen. And today I want to show you how to cook simple egg fried rice. It's a very easy way to cook egg fried rice. But first of all, I already prepared the ingredients for you so that we can save time. First, I have already whipped. I bought 3 medium eggs, and also I cooked already the jasmine rice that we are going to use. This is 1 cup. Usually the 1 cup of rice, makes 4 servings. It is a good amount of rice that you can cook because rice expand when you boil them. And then also the olive oil. I use olive oil in all my cooking, and even the Asian population use a lot of olive oil or vegetable oil or any oil that you can use in your kitchen. But the magic of my cooking is the sea salt. Sea salt I use a lot, a pinch in all my cooking, just for the taste, and that sea salt, the sea flavored capture that you can incorporate in your cooking. So I have them already, and of course the whisker is very important because I like to use my hands in mixing food, and it's a good way also to keep my body in shape because they're a good way to exercise. And then I want to show you my kitchen sink. I have a beautiful kitchen sink in here. It's called the peasant or the farmer style kitchen sink, and then I have this bridge style of my faucet in here. So there are 2 ways on how to cook your egg fried rice. You can use your silverware or silver cooking frying pot. I have this, but then in the Asian world we use a lot of the wok. The wok is very nice because it will keep you, give you an even warmth as you cook. See, this is already warm. I already turned on my Wolf oven. I use Wolf in my kitchen. I have them, and it's a nice way to cook with the Wolf. And also I want to show you my beautiful collection of spoon rests and each travel that I have, or me and my family have, or gifts from people. They always buy me or give me spoon rests as a gift. So these are just some of my collection that I have displayed. So let's start the cooking. And as I told you, I use a lot of olive oil in my cooking, so I just have to put them in the wok. First I have to turn on my blower here, or maybe not. So I'll just turn it a little bit more into medium way, or put it high first in my cooking. So let it warm a little bit hot. Take it 2 to 3 minutes getting hot in there. And it's also very important to have your kitchen towel with you just to protect your cooking area from any spill. And also it makes your job work site easier when you have all handy. Your kitchen towel or dish rag is very, very important. And then as your wok is getting hotter or into a right temperature to put your egg, then I'll twist a little bit more to make my egg even as you call. And as I mentioned to you, you can use any kind of frying pan. I use both. I use my silver. This is from my collection as well. It's called the Salad Master. That it has been with me for 30 years because that's the time when I bought them before I got married. So this is part of my kitchen collection. But I use more of the wok. You know why? Because the wok give you a good space, and as I mentioned to you, that it will give you also the even temperature in cooking. It's because maybe that this is where I used to grow up in cooking. My mom, my grandmother, my aunties, they were good cooks. They used to wok a lot. Sometimes we have the huge wok that they can bring out and cook with firewood, and that's where we cook large portion of food that will feed good population, or sometimes you can invite 3 or 4 families to dine in with you. As you know, the Asian communities love to eat and love to gather. So, okay, so now since my wok is hot, it's time for me now to put the egg and let that egg settle down. Okay. And then I use a lot of my bamboo spatula. This is my bamboo spatula. I like it because they're very light and airy as well for me. And as I mentioned to you, I always use my kitchen towel or kitchen anything or pot holder that you can use for your cooking. And look at that, it's simmering or making a sound now in here. And then I will put already my fried rice, the rice. This is al dente. So keep it there. Put it there. Okay. And another some more. I know you like a little bit more in here. This you can also save your rice, the fried rice with egg. If you cannot finish them, you can also save them for later on. You can just have to put it in the refrigerator, so they're good for overnight. And also, the first thing in the morning, they're very good also for breakfast. So there you go. And then, as I mentioned to you, you can add a taste of a little bit of salt. And then also the Himalayan salt that I have mentioned to you. So just a pinch or something to taste in here. And then a little bit of garlic. These are minced garlic. They're fresh garlic, but I already make sure that they're minced. First, I dry them and then pulverize them. And that's where they become so fine. And they're not big enough because sometimes you don't want to eat the whole garlic yourself, isn't it? So just put a pinch of the garlic in here. And as you can see, I think I can add more rice in here. That will fit, as mentioned to you, 4 people. Okay, and here you are. You can have your egg fried rice. That is tasty, simple, and easy way to feed your family. You know, my kids, my 2 girls, and my son, and now my grandson, baby Sam, likes to eat my egg fried rice. They don't want to have food without them, you know, so these are the best. But again, you can also add your vegetable. You can put green peas. You can put beans in here or carrots. But if you want it simple and easy to cook, then this is the way to cook your egg fried rice. Simple as it is. Okay, and they are good for parties, for your friends, for your visitors, or for your very special someone. And you can never go wrong with egg fried rice. They're the best. And this is from Benolda, and I hope you will enjoy my cooking today. And this is my egg fried rice. So look at that. Okay, so good, delicious, and healthy, and easy to cook. And also they're filling, you know, but again, the rice, I know it's a carbohydrate, but you have the egg, which is rich in protein. So you have all your complete package cooked in one meal. Okay, and here you go with my Benolda's egg fried rice. All right, thank you. And hopefully you will subscribe to my channel, Benolda Hizon at YouTube. Have a beautiful day, everyone. And I thank you, my daughter, Sarah May, who is my videographer for today, and also my personal consultant in all the things I do. And hope you enjoy my cooking. And this is Benolda. And I'll show you my beautiful kitchen. I love to cook in my kitchen. This is the place that I continue to inspire myself to do great things. This is how I dream. This is the place I plan my day-to-day activities. And I hope you too, because life is beautiful to experience, to enjoy, and have And hope to see you next time, and see you on my channel, and thank you very much. And have a beautiful May, and I know June is coming, and let's enjoy the summer days ahead with the heat and the sun and the rays of the beautiful wind that comes in your way. Goodbye. See you again. Thank you so much.